Pepe coin about to make a comeback? What's going on, guys, and welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at what's going on with Pepe, price action, and some exciting things in the mix. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. Guys, we've been looking at meme coins very closely in the past few days, as we've been very close to Bitcoin happening just a couple days away, yet everything's crashing. Bitcoin's crashing, meme coins crashing, Solana's crashing, altcoins are crashing, everything's crashing, everything's in the red. However, we saw a slight surge in price in Pepe. Is Pepe making a comeback? Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Like always, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence, but let's jump right into things. And again, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button. Pepe down 7% on today, but it was making some ripples earlier today before the prices started to come in a downwards direction. On the week, we're down a whopping 28%, on the month 36%, but in the past 6 months still up almost 700%, which is pretty solid to see. In terms of market cap, guys, we're down to $2.1 billion. This token was hovering at $3 billion for quite some time now. It was also been trending between spot number 1 and spot number 10 on CoinMarketCap for the past couple of weeks now. So again, there's some promise for Pepe. I think once we recover from this red zone that every cryptocurrency seems to be in, we are going to see some solid days ahead for everyone's favorite Pepe coin. But talking about being green days ahead for Pepe coin, let's talk about green days ahead for a new Solana project, Slothana. Slothana is a play on Slurf, a very popular coin on the Solana ecosystem. You're not going to want to miss out on this one, guys. This is a pre-sale gem that's actually live on pre-sale. I'm going to link it below. People that have been getting early have been making a solid bag, and you're not going to want to miss out. And lo, Slothana is eternal wisdom and benevolence. Halt decree. Behold, there are 12 days remaining until the dawn of a new era. Let us prepare our hearts and our minds together, for the age of Slothana draws near. May the gains and lambs be bestowed upon us all. You're not going to want to miss out on this gem. The community's going absolutely insane. So Verity on Solana. Again, less than 12 days for us to launch with over 20,000 followers. This puppy is going to the moon. They've already raised over $10 million in pre-sale, guys, and it hasn't even launched yet. This has a solid 100x potential. You're not going to want to miss out. Stay tuned for more Slothana news. And now let's go back to Pepe as we're taking a look at price. I just want to quickly highlight this absolute gem. Now, in terms of news, a lot of exciting news and headlines for Pepe, as Pepe is trying to make that recovery. And we saw surges earlier today as well. 69% of Pep holders left in profit after 26% plunge. Will Pepe price mark a new all-time high by the end of April? And we're really anticipating, after the halving, to see the price of Pepe rise as well as all the other meme coins. This is why WHATS will lose its place to Pepe. Pepe price soaring, 54% move. Again, a lot of bullish news happening for Pepe. Pepe coin spikes on Coinbase international plan to list on perpendicular futures. We took a look at that just a couple of days ago, and very exciting things going on. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals to see what's going on with the selling action for Pepe. And we can see the summaries overall selling sell. The oscillators are in neutral, and the moving averages are also indicating sells. However, I wouldn't be too fearful here, guys. Remember, there's a lot of fear in the marketplace right now. There's a lot of people liquidating their assets, so I wouldn't cause a lot of panic selling to right now. That we're going to see a lot across the board. I think Pepe still has some solid days ahead, and again, once we pass this blood rush and once we enter the post-halvening cycle, I think we're going to see a lot of glory day for some of our favorite coins. Now we see this article, Pepe coin impressive 6% surge, capture market attention. Trending crypto Pepe has captured investors' attention with an impressive 6% rally today. The popular meme coin defilled the broader crypto market turndown to a record significant gain on April 17. Consequently, enthusiasts and investors are concerned about potential sell-off triggered by cashing out. And that's exactly what we saw. We saw that surge in price, and again, all the people that have been panicking saw, oh, there's an opportunity to exit, and boom, they exited. At the time of writing, the meme coin capital market has slumped by 1.76% in the last 24 hours to $47 billion, with trading volume of $5.4 billion, respectively, a 35% decrease in the last day. Other top meme coins, including Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, WHATS, have witnessed a 1% to 0.12% and 1.1% increase, respectively, in the past 24 hours. Pepe rallies amid market downtrend. I think we're going to see exciting things for Pepe as the market continues. And like I was saying, saying, guys, a lot of crazy things happening with the Bitcoin happening, and a lot of crazy things happening in the world right now that's causing a lot of fear. Once we pass all of this, there can be some exciting days for Pepe, and those who load up a bag early are going to reap the rewards. Talking about loading up a bag early, don't miss out on a slot on a pre-sale. Just a couple days in left for you to load up a bag and make some massive profits. But like always, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.